Got a Jeep Cherokee. Dent in the right front door, upper body line. Pretty nasty dent. The owner of this car was off-roading with this thing and actually ran over a log. Log popped up, smacked the door, and caused this dent. It's actually a new vehicle for him too, so we're gonna try to fix it. Paintless dent repair, no body work, no painting. Stay tuned. Okay, there you can see the damage with our PDR light. The section pushed in above and below the body line. Prominent crown on the top of the dent, so this is going to be a lot of pushing and relieving of tension and pressure. I actually removed the glass on this one through a combination of working through the top of the door, maybe possibly through the inside where that door trim panel was. Stay tuned. To start this dent off, I'm going with a glue pulling technique. Got a couple different tabs here from Kiko and Black Plague, using tequila, Anson tequila blue glue, and a K-bar from Keko. What this does is it allows me to move a ton of metal with no push marks. You can see the panel getting distorted there as I use this leverage bar to basically just pull that plastic tab up and hopefully move that body line out straight, because that's the key to starting this repair. You really want to get the body line straight. That's going to relieve a lot of the pressure and strength in that dent. Once the body line's straight, then I'm proceeding to pull out the dents on the top and bottom. Get it as straight as possible, get the meat out of that dent, get it as flat as I can before I start tapping and using the PDR tools. So right there, I've got a good amount out. Now it's really just a lot of crown work. I've got to work down that top crown with my knockdown and hammers. Basically just smooth it out and get it ready for pushing. All right, all done with the glue pulling for now, but I'm pretty amazed. I was able to rough out most of this dent, reduce it from something scary to something totally manageable. No pushes yet. This is all just glue pulling and knockdown work. And now I've basically roughed out the whole shape. I just got to do a little bit of detail work, tighten this thing up, and we'll be good to go. So, really happy with the glue pulling results. Shorten the repair time on this, damage, reduce push marks, and thus reducing cleanup time. So, super happy with where I'm at right now, halfway through the process. Now I'm moving on to PDR tools, starting out with a vinyl tip and an ultra double bend tool. Just working on that body line, trying to straighten that out as much as possible. Push out all the small lows that are remaining after the glue pull. Next step after the vinyl tip is get a little bit more refinement. I'm using a plastic tip here from, who is it? Dead On Dent Tools, I think. Allows you to push out some metal without poking it. Last and final step, I've got a very sharp tool from PDR Finesse. I believe it's the 245, just working out those micro lows and doing a little bit of knockdown work, fine detail work, and this thing is ready to go. Okay, all done with the Jeep. Dent the body line. Came out great. Near flawless repair. No body work, no paint. Paintless dent repair. All done, Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Dent the body line. Did a lot of this with glue pulling. And finished up detail work with PDR bars. Just needs a quick polish and it's ready to go. Paintless dent repair. No body work. No repainting. This repair was completed in a couple of hours. Thanks for watching.